Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, ᴅᴏᴇ. So now guys, gagawa po tayo ng part 2 ng video natin kung paano gumawa ng sarili nitong website doon sa WordPress. Okay, so sa ating unang video guys, gumawa po tayo ng domain. Gumawa po tayo ng domain galing sa Freenom. And then sa hosting, yung ginagamit nating hosting is yung Infinity Free kasi libre po at wala po tayong binabayaran doon. Okay, so ito po yung last video natin, no? Last part ng video natin. Dito tayo, i-install muna natin si WordPress dito sa ating control panel. So click natin itong install. Tapos pipili tayo ng PHP version yung version nyo guys, no? Software, choose the version you want to install. Version, much better to use this higher version guys, no? Itong 5.7.2. and choose installation URL. Okay, so try natin guys itong HTTPS. Please choose the URL to install. I think itong HTTPS guys, no, yung maganda. Pero kayo na pong bahala guys kung pwede nyo pong gamitin itong HTTP tapos // at saka hindi kaya itong HTTP // www. So I want this HTTPS guys. HTTPS. So let's try this HTTPS. Tapos ito yung domain natin, yung iko-xcb.email. Okay. A trusted email certificate was not found. Try natin dito guys itong HTTP. Choose in directory. Okay, the directory is relative to your domain and should not exist. To install at http://mydomain.pr. just type there to install only in HTTP my domain. Leave this empty. Okay, empty natin guys kasi HTTP po yung gamit natin. Tapos dito tayo sa site name. Tapos name po ng website niyo. So icon, let's try this icon. XCB blog site. Blogspot. So yan po yung name ng panel natin, yung description. So nyari ito lang guys, no? Sample lang naman ito guys, no? Sample. This is my official website, official blog site. So okay na pong bahala guys kung ilagay nyo. Pero may edit mo naman ito guys, no, after installation. Tapos enable multi-site. This feature will enable multi-site option for your WordPress blog. Your server must support Apache mode. Okay, so check po or either disable that option. Okay, admin account. Dito natin ilagay yung admin account natin, no? Yung account na gagamitin natin para sa website, yung admin site. Okay. So I will try this, or I will use this. I could ph. Tapos yung password niya is okay. So lagyan niyo lang po yung password niyo guys. Okay, tsaka yung email niya, yung language, limit, login attempt. Okay, so okay na pong bahala guys kung maglilimit kayo ng login attempt para po maiwasan po yung ma-hack po yung account niyo. Or di po ma-access ng ibang user. Protect your site against brute force attacks by limiting the number of login. Okay, so kapag nag-limit kayo sa ganyan, okay, so or pwede pong i-disable po yung feature na yan. So, classic editor. So, hanap tayo ng editor, guys. Classic editor, okay. So, advanced option, select theme. So, mamili kayo ng theme dito, guys, no? Mamili kayo ng theme sa inyong website. So, I'll try this theme, guys. Ensuring your future from today. I don't know. I don't like this. Okay, so welcome to this to new. So I don't like that. Auto repair, no. Gymnast X, no. Okay, plan your global trip. This thing. Magsa-search tayo, guys. Search theme tayo. Tutorial. Sorry, wala. Black. Showing result. Demo. No. Not this. Try this. Let's try. Blush full black. Okay, so ito lang, guys, muna. Kasi yung pang black po yung website natin, no? So, kaya na pong bahalang mamili ng theme, guys. Depende sa website na gagawin niyo. Okay, so after that, after nyo ma-set up dito, guys, sa taas, no? So, i-save lang natin dito, guys, sa note. Di bali, guys, mag-email pa rin naman yung makaka-receive naman kayo ng email, including with your account. Okay. Okay, tapos paste natin dito sa notepad para maiwasan natin, no? Para hindi natin makalimutan yung ginamit natin dito, guys. Okay, so install na natin, guys. Click nyo lang po itong install button. Oops, the connection was lost. This may take 3 to 4 minutes. Please do not leave this page until the progress bar reaches 1%. Medyo may katagalan po siya, guys. So, balik, guys, ikakat ko lang yung video. Babalik ko lang, guys, no, after installation. So, ito na po, guys, no, yung after installation ng WordPress, guys. Ito po yung lumabas. Congratulations, the software was installed successfully. WordPress has been successfully installed at http://iko-xcv.ml. Okay, so ikakopy lahat natin, guys, yung details, no? So ikakopy natin yung details. So itong http://iko-xcv.ml, ito po yung access natin, guys, no, sa ating website. So copy Huh? Oh. Guys, try natin open guys. Okay, so try natin buksan yung website natin. So ito guys, no, ⴤ Blogspot. So yun, may website na tayo guys, no. So ito namang isang link guys, itong administrative URL. Ito yung i-open natin guys, no, kapag nagpo-post tayo, nagpa-publish tayo. Ito yung admin site natin as an owner of the site. Okay, so try natin buksan dito sa isang so yun. Okay, so dito natin mabubuksan yung account natin, no, na ginawa natin, no, yung sa installation natin kanina. So dito natin ilagay yung username or login. Okay, I got ph number, then okay, so login natin guys. Okay guys, nakapasok na tayo sa ating admin site, no, ng WordPress. So dito natin i-customize yung ating website, papagandahin yung website, no. At saka dito tayo magpo-post sa ating site. Okay, so yan, dito tayo, ayan, post, then media, pages, gagawa tayo ng pages, yung appearance guys. Check natin itong appearance, dito natin i-change yung theme, i-customize yung widget, menus, option panel, theme editor. Okay, so yan guys, no, yun lang po yung ganun lang ka-simple. So try natin guys magpo-post guys, no. Sample lang tayo guys. Add you. Magpo-post tayo dito sa ating website. So kung nakita nyo guys sa taas, yan, connection is not secure. So sa next video natin guys is secure natin yung website, no, yung SSL certificate. So kakailangan natin yun. Okay, so back lang natin guys. So dito tayo magpo-post. Next, make each block your own. Next, get to know the block library. Next, get started. Okay, dito tayo mag-paste ng title, sample post. Okay, so dito natin i-write guys, no, yung po-post natin. So pwede kayong mag-add ng media like yung mga files or mga links. Okay, so ganyan. So ito, this is my post, sample only. Okay, so yan na lang natin guys, desktop site, cancel natin. So ayan, desktop site po siya. Tapos sana ba yun, schedule. Schedule siya, schedule. Okay, so ayan, sample post is now live. So check natin yung website natin guys, no, check natin dito. So ayan, dito na po yung post natin, sample post. This is my post, sample only. Okay, so yung mga visitors guys ng website ninyo, so panatilihin po na palagi kayo nagpo-post guys, no, sa inyong kasi yun po yung inabangan ng mga visitors sa inyong website. So yan lang guys, no. Bali sa next video guys, i-encrypt natin itong website natin or secure natin, kasi kung makikita natin dito guys is connection is not secure. So bali sa part 3 po ng video natin guys. So ganun lang kasimple guys, no, kung paano gumawa the proper installation of WordPress, no, doon sa ating control panel. So first natin guys, no, kapag gagawa tayo ng website, again yung hosting, at saka next is yung domain. Okay, so kailangan guys, no, may domain kayo, no. Bali meron pong libreng domain, at saka meron din yung may bayad na domain. Yung gustong customize, yung mas papagandahin pa nila yung website nila, like yung sa domain, yung pang pro, like .com, .org, .ph. So mga ganyan po guys, ay yan po yung mga paid domain, or subdomain. Okay, so bali guys, kasi wala po tayong budget, no. So dito muna tayo sa free, libre, at wala po tayong babayaran. So medyo naiiba nga lang siya doon sa mga paid